Hi, thank you for coming and welcome everyone. My name is Imran. I am the moderator of this discussion. Please make sure your participation and give your fullest cooperation to conduct this session successfully. The purpose of this discussion to analyze the Rati milk powder and comparing the other competitors and so on. Guys, I have some rules to carry out the session effectively. The first rule is please don't leave the session in middle. And second one, switch on the cameras and be seated away from the noisy and disturbance. These are the basic rules you have to follow to conduct this session successfully. Now let's move to self-introduction.
Hi guys, I'm Nija. I'm from Katangudi. My profession is teacher. I'm 31 years old.
Hi, this is Mohammad Fauzan. I am an electronic engineer working at Colombo and I am 32 years old.
And what about India's?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, now okay. India's. Tell me about you.
Mic only. Can you hear me? Yeah, I am Muhammad Imtiaz from Goal. I'm working as an accountant. I'm 26 years old.
Okay, today we are going to discuss about the Rati product. Rati is one of the leading product in Sri Lanka. So, what are you general feeling about the Rati product?
Rati is a very good milk for morning tea and evening tea. Usually, me and my family members use Rati to start our day.
And the others?
Yeah, as Nija told, and Rati is a very good milk and also tasty. And every day morning and evening, we are bringing Rati at our home and our office.
Zoom meeting.
Yeah. What do you think like about the Rati product?
What? Rati has a specific taste. It give boost to all of us.
Rati drinking is Rati compared with other milk brands. Rati is a very tasty one and it's cheap also.
Yeah. What are the problems you face when you use the Rati product?
Usually our place we can't get Rati regularly because the other brand most of the people using other brands, so we can't get regularly, so we need to wait some days. That's my problem.
What about in Colombo area, Hausa?
So Columbia area also it's the same as Nija told. It's most of the people are using the other brand, and it's not available at all the places. All the shops near to our area, it's not available. So they have to consider this.
Yeah, Mr. India.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Other thing is, Rati is the contain is a 400 grams, and usually using people in home. If you are going to eat and dining, especially hotels and there, you cannot get Rati because Rati have some, I think, not available in all places. That's a very issue.
No, yeah. What trends do you see happening in the food industry? Actually, the food industry is growing in nowadays, no?
Yeah, food industry has a good growth in our country, and also In other countries also, Sri Lankan products has a good marketplace, like Maliban, Nestle, and many other food products. Has many of the people are using Sri Lankan product as of these days.
Sri Lanka is the one of the country to use milk powder for making tea, comparing with the other countries. So this angle also, Rati, is we can use.
Okay, right. Let's we discuss about the competitors like other competitors. Which is the best brand in milk powder in Sri Lanka?
Actually, Anchor, the Fonterra brand products that are Anchor and Prati, that are the main usual people using in Sri Lanka. Other competitor product is that is Nestle brand, Nestamalt. We can say other thing is Viva. That are the competitors for the Viva and Rati. Sorry, Rati and Anchor. They are the they have the marketplace in Sri Lanka, the market potential.
Yeah. Why do you think Nestamalt is the largest competitor to our product Rati?
So they have a lot of marketing strategies. They have a lot of marketing strategies, and also they have a lot of agencies in all around the island. So they have, and also it's available in at the time when you want the Anchor or Rati, it's available any time.
In my angle, this is easy accessible, Nestamalt. And the other thing, most of the advertisements and players, actors using Nestamalt as branding. Rati is more, I can't see most of the advertisements. So people minds change when they looking those advertisements.
Yeah, of course. I think also like so. Okay, what features do you think about the better in Anchor or Nestamalt?
Nestamalt has a very authentic taste, and also it's a different taste compared to other brands. So if you ask to anybody from the younger to old age, everybody will prefer Nestamalt to drink. So it has a unique taste. So like Rati, Anchor, and other brands, it's a same. The taste is same, but the Nestamalt is very unique, and that's why it has a good competitor.
So
Marketing is the first thing. Marketing, those those companies using most of the mass marketing techniques to reach people.
yeah.
That's why they sell so much.
So in your view, what are the recommendations to overcome from the challenges or to become the best brand, the Rati?
As I
They
earlier
can
told,
increase.
yeah. You can say.
They can increase the agency worldwide, agents, the distributors, and they can increase, and they can find some strategies and to advertise to attractive advertisements. They can follow to reach the people.
Yeah.
First thing they need to do marketing. They need to do good marketing, and they need to conduct competitions to reach students, pupils to this brand. Then they can change their sizes, 400 gram, 100 gram, and they can use liquid format also in instant milk drinking. So if we use most of the mechanisms, then only we can reach.
Yeah, I think that's the STP analysis because based on the customer recommendation, we are doing the STP analysis like segmentation and targeting and positioning. We will make sure the future. Okay, let's to discuss about the problems. what are the specific issues you faced when you use Rati?
Yeah, actually, it's not available in all area. First problem is not available in all area. And if you are thinking that there's some flavor, they can add different flavor to Rati, that kind of thing.
And also we need to add more milk powder to other milk, other brands. So this is also the big issue.
Yeah.
Marketing
Okay.
is that's why I already told marketing.
Yeah. How would you expect a customer service department? Yeah. Using the customer service department to the R&D developments. So how would you expect a customer service department to respond to these problems? Like you said, mentioning no
They can,
available in all shops.
yeah, they can conduct a survey, market survey. So
Yeah,
if it is available in they can conduct the market survey and they can monitor the agencies and sales rep. How about the product distribution points, how they work, then operation, how can usually they done. So the practices they can develop the market.
Yeah. So
Like these days, most branded we can access most of these branded famous brands. In this develop reach most customers, then it may be useful.
okay, what are the weaknesses you are looking at the Rati product? Mr. Fauzan?
Yeah.
Excess is the most problem. We can excess.
And from my point of view, there is no different flavors available. Like other brands, they have more flavors, chocolate flavors, and so they can consider this also. So they and also, as I told you before, we need to add more milk powder to get the
Thickness, no?
compared to other thickness. Yes.
And also they can make it the contains that 400 gram is reduced to 100 gram, 50 gram sachet packets. Then they can access to the some people can from eat and dining shops. So that also that idea from weakness to make a strength.
Yeah. Okay, what are the strengths we have Rati product? Like I think the low price product, no?
Yeah, it's actually price is low.
Low. That's a
And Rati mostly target in villages, no? Village poor lifestyle people, no? What do you feel about Fauzan in Colombo area?
In Colombo area also, we cannot say Colombo area. We have to say this island wide. especially these pandemic situations. So, and also our country is facing some shortages of milk powder, and these
Yeah, it
situations,
comes at
and
quite
if they can
last.
if they can provide the milk powder, they can provide the milk powder with the lowest price. So this is the time they can reach the people. So if they follow some attractive ideas to reach, and so they can. So
Okay.
I think this is you can.
Okay. What's your favorite aspects in Rathi? Yes.
Yeah, favorite aspects. It's that boost nutrition added, some nutrition added in that product. When making a tea, that can smell that of smell we can feel, and also it's to give energy also. No.
It's a look like our country's product. It's not, but it's a packing designs. So most of the people think it's our country's product. That's also its feature.
Okay. What are the factors induced you to buy the Rathi? Because there are more competitors in milk powder products like Nestle and Avia, and like there are a lot of various dairy products in market. So what are the factors induced you by the Rathi?
First one, it's a tasty. When I drink Rati, again and again, I like to drink Rati. So the taste. But I can't tell about the advertisement because comparing with other companies, Rati's advertisement is not good. It's not attractive. So I can't tell advertisements and promotions. The taste is good. That is the best, very we can establish a first reason, taste. So if we Rati try to do good promotions, we can reach more people.
So okay, now we will discuss about the promotion advertisement. Like for the 1 year, for before 1 year, we introduced like a coupon saying guys just taking 3 coupons over writing the packet and send it to our brand head office, and they selected some of customers and give prices like home appliance and scooter. Also, what do you think about those type of promotions to increase the market value or to meet unmet customers?
That are the things they need to do. They need to increase those promotions. They need to reach most people. They need to increase the promotions. That's a good way, but it's not enough.
Like Nija told, and these are the another aspect to reach the people. But the main thing they have to consider, Imran.
Yeah.
The main thing they have to consider that they have to maintain the quality. So even if they provide the coupons or motorbike, scooter, okay, these are temporary only. Okay, the product, what are they promoting? That is their product, right? So they have to consider in the quality of the milk powder, and for sure our people always buy this product. So this is the main strategy they have to maintain. They have to provide the good quality product with low price. So this is our country people currently looking for.
Okay. Okay, what about the other products like Avia and there are a small group of competitors now in Sri Lanka available, no? Like Avia and some of our other Sinhala name, something I can't remember. So what do you think about those competitors?
Now I think in future there's other computer, there's a fresh milk. It's also a big competitor. Nowadays, fresh milk come door every door at early morning. Fresh, so maybe it may be the good competitor in future.
Yeah, so nowadays also there are the shortage in market availability, like that. It's my last point. And for a month there's a shortage of milk powder in Sri Lanka. So what do you think about that, Mr. Indias?
Yeah, the upcoming, the current situation is the market shortage in Anchor and all products. Anchor and Rati are the huge market potential in Sri Lanka if they are not available, because currently prevailing situation in Sri Lanka, taxes and other cost pricing up. That problem, the people are usually using choosing another alternative products. That one is Mr. Nija says that cow milks coming in early morning. So if they addicted or they using that, they can change mind to drink that kind of milk. So, and another marketers also can enter the this point. The things Viva and Melbourne and that companies, that product also not available in this current situation. So it's however they should maintain the market. If they want to maintain the market potential, they should properly provide the product to the market. Otherwise they can't stay in market.
Yeah. Do you use this product for long? What do you feel? For a long time?
It's depending on its quality. If they really maintain quality in future, we will use.
Yeah. Would you say you are satisfied with the performance of this product?
We are satisfied, but there's a computer in this world. They need to sustain their development.
That's a loyal customers are the potential of product, no? Okay. Would you recommend this product, Rati, to your friends or to your family?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure.
Normally, we are recommending Rati.
We are recommending.
Okay. Okay, guys, now we will conclude this session. Thank you for your cooperation. Thank you for your opinions on feedback about the Rati product. So we will include your all of comments to address the brand companies. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.